Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Teacher, hope you are in good condition. Today, we learn about wild animals. We can see wild animal at the zoo. Good. Another at the jungle. Okay. Today we learn about this wild animal. What is this? Okay. This is a tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. What is this? Zebra. Good. Okay, we spell Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra. What is this? A cute wild animal. Okay. Rabbit. Good. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit like carrot. Very good. Okay. What wild animal this? What? Yes, monkey. Okay, spell M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey likes fruit. Very good. Okay, a big animal. What is this? Hippo. Very good. Okay, spell H-I-P-P-O. Hippo. Big animal. And the last, what is this? The sound of the wild animal. Snake. Yes, very good. Okay. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Snake. Now, we revise that we learned today about wild animal. Snake, tiger, hippo, zebra, rabbit, monkey. After this, we sing together and then do the homework or exercise.
Wild animals. What do you see? What do you see? I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit. What do you see? What do you see? I see a monkey. I see a monkey. tiger. I see a tiger.
A tiger? Run!
Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Stop! Say, what do you see? What do you see? I see a snake. I see a snake. What do you see? What do you see? I see a hippo. I see a hippo.
Yes. See you again.